Here's the next song. जन्म जन्म साथ जावां कसम तुम्हें कसम आके एक जान है दो भले हुए जुदा मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना अलविदा मेरी सुबह हो तुम्ही और तुम्ही शाम हो तुम दर्द हो तुम प्यार हो मेरी मोहब्बत करना तुझे मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना अलविदा मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना अलविदा छुपे छुपे से रंग तेरे होया एक तेरा बाजू मेरा कोई मोया Clap please. छुपे से रंग तेरा होया एक तेरे बाजू दूजा मेरा कोई मोया की तरह तुझे मरने तलक रहेगी, मरने तलक रहेगी, तू आदत की तरह तुझे आदत की तरह।
First of all, a huge round of applause for Nihal Khan and his team. Good evening, everybody. My name is Suvin Doble, and I'm basically born and brought up in Nagpur, but I work in Hyderabad in an IT firm. I cannot tell you its name because Wipro policies don't allow me to say it. Anybody who is in IT right now in Nagpur? There is one guy, one person raising her hand. Which company?
Persistent.
What?
Persistent.
No, that's the question. What? Anyway, so I basically work in an IT firm and life has played a fair share of jokes on me. So I want to talk about the biggest joke of my life. My girlfriend. But on a serious note, she's amazing. She's beautiful, she's smart, she's intelligent. And 1 year back, she decided to go on from being a girlfriend to being a wife. Someone else's wife. And she was very liberal in her thoughts. So after me, she dated a Muslim guy. And then she went on to USA. She broke up with him and she went on to USA and she is now with a black guy, an African American. पहले तो निकाह करने वाली थी, अब एक निकाह उसको करता है. It's okay if you don't laugh at this joke because it was dark humor. In fact, a black one. And I moved on from there. And there's this one thing we all do when moving on from a breakup. We watch TV series. Yeah? So I watched this amazing TV series online. It's called Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. And then I watched this mediocre TV series called Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones fans, make some noise. I love that show. I definitely love that show. What I don't like about that show is that normal people are using those jargons in real life. Like my flatmate owes me some $50. He's like, a Lannister always pays his debts. तू Lannister नहीं, तेरा surname Lende है. And fuck, he owes me $50 and he's giving me that dialogue. Then a new girl comes to my office, she introduces herself. Like, hi, I'm Shailaja Mehti Ramareddy, Katragata Subramaniam Swami. First I thought she's trying to be Khalisi. Then I just realized she's from Chennai. It's okay if you don't understand the joke. It's fine. But then I moved on and Modi gave me a ray of hope in my singlehood. He gave me the concept of Digital India. Have you guys heard of Digital India? Yeah? Amazing concept, right? So I downloaded Tinder. See, Tinder is this dating app where, you see profiles of people and if you like the person, you swipe right. Yeah, thank you, sir. And if you don't like the person, you swipe left. If the other person also swipe right, you get to have a chat, go on a date probably. And I don't like this concept of Tinder in India because every girl on Tinder is like, just here out of boredom. Not looking here for dates. Ben, it's a dating app. Why the fuck are you not looking for a date on a dating app? That's just like going to Shaadi.com and saying, "Bhai, I'm not here for marriages, please." Like, please, शादी नहीं करनी मेरे को. Hookups, आ जाओ. अभी चलो. But then I moved on. I thought maybe I should, from my end, I should do something for myself. So I consulted a stylist. And the stylist told me, dude, grow some facial hair. Girls love facial hair. Yeah? Do the girls agree to it? No, nobody. There's one hand raising like, yeah, I love it. I just love it. So I spent the last 3 months going some serious facial hair. Yesterday she met me and told me thick eyebrows don't count. They don't. They're on the face, but they don't count. Like, I have so thick eyebrows that they are one step away from evolving into a butterfly. But then I tried to figure out why it is difficult for single guys to go from single to being committed, especially in India. That's the difficult part, right? And there are 3 primary reasons why it is difficult for single guys to go from single to being committed. The first reason is guys are terrible dancers. They're just horrible. Like, we are the Jon Snows of dancing. We know nothing. Just nothing. And see, girls are natural when they dance on the dance floor. See, girls are contemporary dancers, classical dancers, hip-hop dancers. Guys are violent dancers. If you are within the range of my arm, you're getting hit. That's it. And even in that violent dance category, we know only 2 things. Bhangra, Ganpati, Visarjan. That's it. That's all we know. And there's one particular thing about dance floors. बाहर कितना भी सही IQ हो, dance floor पे सब चूतिए होते हैं. They never listen to what DJ is saying. They're always like, yeah. Like, all the cool people in the house make some noise. Yeah. All the people who love the song make some noise. Yeah. All the chutia people make some noise. Yeah. They never listen to what the guy is saying. Anyway, moving on to the second reason why it is difficult for single guys to go from single to being committed is that single girls don't exist. They just don't. And see, single girls, I was trying to figure out why single girls don't exist. Like, every girl I meet is committed. Every guy I know is single. How? Like, when I was a kid, LHS had to be equal to RH. It's possible, and I was thinking and thinking and thinking. Then I saw 2 girls holding hands, going to the washroom, sometimes in groups, and I have a dirty mind. Like, so this is the reason. And these single girls are like aliens. Because no matter how much time and money we put in the research, we are yet to find the planet they live on. I know the girls are feeling offended right now. Sala objectify kiya bro. All that stuff. Well, yeah, I did. So for the comparison, I would like to say sorry to all the aliens out there. Intelligent people will get this joke. And see, single girls are like aliens, and I know the girls are feeling offended. Well, you should feel offended because I did not compare you to any aliens. I compared you to the Indian aliens. See, when you see the aliens out there in the USA, they are amazing. They have a personality. They're strong, they're Superman, Thor, they're 8 feet, 10 feet tall. We have Jadoo. That's all we have. And see, when you see the aliens out there in the USA, they have goals, they have ambitions, they want to destroy the world, they want to rule the human race. Jadoo को photosynthesis करना है. He wants to create energy using sunlight. Wow. And I feel like Jadoo is that guy of the alien world जो engineer तो बन गया पर उसको ना अपने life के साथ कुछ अलग करना है. So instead of just conquering the world, he goes out there doing photosynthesis. Jadoo is even more fuckable because he got attracted to an unknown earth because he heard the sound oh. वो जादू नहीं, वो बाबा रामदेव था. Jadoo is even more fuckable because his parents would be like, बेटा करना क्या चाहते हो? माँ photosynthesis करना चाहता हूँ. Like shit, बेटा हाथ से निकल गया है. Jadoo is even more fuckable because all he did was help a 21-year-old guy get puberty. वो alien नहीं, वो testosterone होता है. Anyway, moving on to the third and the final reason why it is difficult for single guys to go from single to being committed is, and the girls will love it, is that all men are dogs. All the girls are like, yeah, they are. All the guys are like, yeah, we are. Like, what do you do? And we come in 2 categories. The first one, the committed ones. the pet dogs. You'll find them within 1 meter radius of their girlfriends. Even the names are like Babu, Tommy, Sonu. Like, why? Just why? And here's a message to all the girls out there. There's a difference between pet name and pet's name. Not the same. Huge difference. But chuck it, those are not the fun ones. The fun ones are the second category to which I belong. The single ones, the stray dogs. With a girl being like a car. If we spot one, we will chase it. It does not matter how the car looks, when the car was made, where the car was made, we'll just go and chase it. But we'll never catch it. But the real reason why I call all men as dogs is because no matter how badly you treat us, no matter how many stones you throw at us, we'll still unconditionally love you back. Yeah, thank you for the warm. Remember, this is a stand-up comedy show. I said that because I had to crack at least one joke tonight. Yeah, we love to that. Anyway, moving on with the show, I would like to call upon stage another dog for the evening. He's very talented, very funny, super handsome, and he has paid me 20 bucks to say this. Jitesh Wasane!
Yeah, I'm on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Subin Doble. Yes, this Indian outfit at home. He's here all the way from Hyderabad, just for money. And he's the only Doble who's not a police inspector. But fuck you. How are you guys doing? Good. India is doing great as a country. We are doing so good that we are 1.25 billion. We are doing it every way. We are doing it in every way. So, people who do drugs, give me a cheer. Very good. This is how I test the honesty of my audience. But before it actually begins, are we like a receptive and non-offensive audience? Yes? No. No? Very good. Depends. Somebody said depends. Depends upon what, sir? On the size of your brain? Brain does it? No, but guys, if you get offended, the best part about Chinnavi Center is that it has multiple exits. You can always book an Uber and subtle integration done, sir. So guys, parents on WhatsApp, I feel it was much easier to explain MTV and Channel V back then rather than explaining WhatsApp and Facebook right now. The other day my mom wanted to change her display picture. I don't know why, and she couldn't, and she's like, "Ye kharab ho gaya." And I'm like, no, please figure out it on your own. Please don't hit my head. Do whatever you want to. But don't do that, guys. Later, I felt sad and I realized that you shouldn't do these things. Because your parents they were there when you needed them. Right? They were there. Everybody sitting here, everybody, mind you, everybody, one time went down like this. Mummy! हो गया. See, I don't know, you figure it out on your own. Don't eat my head. Please help your parents use Facebook and WhatsApp, but that's it. Do not talk about Snapchat. देखो मम्मा, मुझे भी अभी समझा है, तो प्लीज आप रहने दो. But my mom is very sweet. She's a very, like how moms are, like they're sweet. The other day I was trying to explain her that why one single woman cannot be called ladies. But my dad is not that sweet. when I told my parents that I'm trying my hand at stand-up comedy, to my surprise, my dad was happy because he realized that I was using my hand somewhere else for the first time. But they have been supportive. I come from a very selectively modern Gujarati family, okay? Selectively modern. Let me explain the term. Comedy show ma javanu? Ha. Comedy show karvanu? But my dad is like my ex-girlfriend, unke naam unki haan hai, so here I am in front of you guys. Like let's do a survey here. I wanted to do this survey. How many of you have seen me before perform live? By the show of hands, yes. How many of you? How many? Yes. Sir, yeah. Sir with the spike shirts, you have seen me before, sir? Yes. Sir, क्या हुआ तब नहीं समझा था आपको? Sorry to break down to you, but नए चुटकुले was a marketing gimmick. Some of you have clearly fallen for it. But no, sorry, it's new jokes, sir. I swear new jokes, sir. I swear. And how many of you are seeing me for the first time by the show of hands? Yes, ma'am, you're seeing me for the first time? Yeah, I just have one question. Why? Why would you spend your hard-earned money on this? So I saw some of the hands who have seen me before. Some very good. Putting the phone on silent mode is not my thing. I will sit in the first row and I will ask my friend to call me when the performer is performing. That is how I grab attention. Everybody except me knows that. This is what I'm talking about. But thank God that was not an iPhone for call ringtone which echoes. So as soon as the iPhone ringtone, kiska bajta. Dude, you have paid 50,000 bucks to do this? Some random. Yes. So yeah, I saw some of them before ma'am interrupted with an important phone call. I saw somebody over here who saw me before. Some of you have seen me for the first time. बाकी सब साइंस की तरफ से आए हो? क्या है? Come on, be a participative audience, guys. So I was talking about stand-up comedy, okay? And doing stand-up comedy, it's not very easy, I tell you. People get offended very soon, right? Offensive audience is like, it's a headache. And but then I realized that, it's not just stand-up comedy profession that deals with certain occupational hazards. Every profession on its own has certain occupational hazards. For example, doctors struggle with vaccines, right? Chartered accountants struggle with changing tax laws, right? Architects struggle with offsites, right? Engineers struggle with female interaction, right? Any engineers in the house? Yes? Oh, are you so ashamed to even cheer about your profession? Engineers in the house, give me a cheer, please. Fuck off! Oh wow, nice. He doesn't even need a mic. Very good. So yeah, we have had this show strategically organized on today because today is Nag Panchami. And as a kid, this was my favorite day. Because this was the only day when my mom did not force me to drink milk. But now I am sad because she chose a snake over me. But no, seriously, let's talk about today. Happy Valentine's Day, guys! Yes. See, I have been friend-zoned so much. So much. That my friendship day is my Valentine's Day. But now let's talk about friendship day, guys, because you guys will get a bit nostalgic, yeah. And in school, there was this guy, hi, happy F day. What? F day. F is not even the last thing you're getting today. So Friendship Day is on the first Sunday of August, right? But school is off. So we celebrate it on Saturday, right? So we go to the general stores on Friday. And this is how we categorize our friendship bands, okay? भैया थोड़े से जनरल वाले दे देना, एक तो एक्सपेंसिव दे दो अच्छे दोस्त के लिए, और महंगा वाला एक. And throughout the day your task is towards that महंगा वाला एक. You want her to wear it, okay? Or him to wear it, but then you realize that for whom you had got that महंगा वाला band has got a महंगा वाला band for somebody else, and you are like 60 रुपया वेस्ट हो गया, मैंने चोरी किया था, ये साली क्या सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का. And then there was this one random guy, okay, he bought a bundle of satin ribbon and a pair of scissors. And one thing I'm sure, this guy in my life, guy in your life, sir, in your life, ma'am, in everybody's life was the same guy. This guy was your Sindhi friend, who was taught economics much before we were taught. It's not a coincidence that Sindhi rhymes with Chindi. It happens. But talking more about myself, I'm trying stand-up comedy because I don't know. I think this is the way I can vent out my frustration to anything and everything. I'm not I think I was much happier when I was sperm. After that, things hasn't been good with me. I recently got this MI band. There's this one band which you wear it in your hand, right? You guys know about it? Yes? No? Yeah. It's a fitness band. How does it work? Let me explain. So as you walk, by the movement of your hand, the footsteps are being counted, right? And and if I say something, aunties get uncomfortable. And then they are laughing. In the front row, there is like, uncle, आप लोग को समझ आ रहे हैं जब आप हमारी उम्र के बच्चे को माता के जगराते पे लेके जाते हो तो हमको कैसा लगेगा? Not for that joke. I don't even have to complete that joke, okay? But you guys have made it to a comedy show, right? You did not go to the sizzling Friendship Day bash with DJ Lochan. Great, I'm proud of you. Please pat your own backs. Amazing, amazing. Because you haven't missed much, I will explain to you what goes down there, okay? It's a Friendship Day party, okay? Rates are very high, alcohol is very diluted. And this is what happens at that party. Random Bollywood music plays, okay? And you go with a girl, of course, because some people here can afford it, so. And rich people are nice. So you go with this girl and everywhere you take her, she goes. And the DJ plays the music and she's like, this is not my kind of song, yeah. Let's go somewhere else. It's okay, you take her somewhere else. Because sex is important in life. Take her somewhere else. She's again there. Not my kind of song, yeah. Not my kind of music. You take her to the third party. Still. then you lose your shit. सुन, औरत. वहाँ पे A.R. रहमान और गुलजार ये नहीं सोच रहे कि यार ये गाना प्रिया के लिए लिखूं कि नहीं. दारू पी और नाच. And then she will start dancing after breezers. यार ये घुस नहीं रहा. ये घुस नहीं. बहुत shut up. बहुत गंदे लोग हैं जी. So yeah, hi. Can we do it after this show? I understand you read my name and shouted it out, but think about me. I don't know your name, man. Where?
आवाज इधर से आएगी.
Hi, man.
Hi boss.
What's up?
Everything else.
Whatever that means. I have no clue. Let's talk about important stuff. So we were talking about Friendship Day party, right? Breezer big and nasty. Okay. And everywhere you will see these girls will dance like this. What? This? What is this? I think I went to such one party, okay? I went to this one party, one music concert. Everybody was dancing. I also got in the mood and I also did this. मुझे लगा हाथ से कुछ करना है. You are trying it. Nice. सब पीछे लगे. कौन कर रहे हैं? See, there's this one problem in the first row. Either not so young people are sitting, or my sister and my brother-in-law are sitting. So let's talk to the second row tonight. Just a small variation in stand-up comedy shows. Hello, ma'am. Hi. In the second row, ma'am with beautiful shoes. Hi, ma'am. May I know your good name, please? Rasika. This is the powered section. I just said Rasika. Please, ये एक काम करो, this everything else guy, and you go out and talk to each other. Please, yeah. Listen to the majority, yaar. Hi, Rasika. What? Rasika, ये दुनिया में बात ही नहीं करने दे रही यार. Hi, Rasika. What do you do, ma'am?
I work at TCS.
Never heard of it. For me, TCS is tax collected at source. That's it. What is TCS? Please explain.
It's an IT firm.
IT firm. So when Mr. Subin Duble was asking that anybody from IT, सिर्फ persistent का नाम क्यों आया? शर्म?
Raise my hand, he just didn't point at me.
Subin, a girl works in TCS. और तू persistent, get your priorities straight, man. And her name is Rasika. You work with Tata Consultancy Services. And what do you consult? I guess you consult. That's what I'm guessing. What do you? Yeah. What?
That's the confidential information. I have to tell you.
Wow. लादेन को तुम लोग ने मारा क्या? So confidential information I cannot give it to you. Though I hate my boss very much, still. Anyway, let's not talk about TCS or any consultancy services. Let's talk about the. See, sometimes people forget to change the slides. It happens. It happens. People forget to change the slides. and I have to talk about orgasms. तू अटक गया था क्या orgasm के पहले? What a bloody coincidence. But yeah, let's talk about orgasms, guys. People are getting uncomfortable. See, let me get this straight. बात करने में कुछ बुरा नहीं है, ठीक है? We are from India. We have given the world this one book, right? A book which everybody loves. The book, the name of the book is Savita Bhabhi. Yes. Yes. No, but seriously, we have given Kama Sutra to the world. Our greatest contribution after zero. Before zero, acha, is it? So yeah, so understand, it's okay to talk about these things, have a laugh and just go home and it's okay, it's completely fine. Because you know what? Realize this, we are from India. This book was invented, like it was written, discovered, invented much when the rest of the world was trying to figure out that how the earth moves around the sun and how the gravity works. Some Indian dude was busy writing, कैसे डालेगा तो ज़्यादा मजा आएगा? So guys, some of you don't know what an orgasm is. I read about it, trust me. But girls, orgasm is that feeling after sex after which you want to talk. Guys, orgasm is that feeling after sex after which you don't want to talk. Ladies, food, snacks and sleep in that order. And I don't understand why do you want to talk after sex. Parents teacher meeting है क्या? boys का performance discuss करेंगे? And I'm gonna ruin this for you tonight because I've drawn certain comparisons between orgasm and sneezing. Yeah, that's right. Orgasms and sneezing are closely related. Yeah. For starters, during both the processes, your face looks weirdly similar. I was about to sneeze. The chances of both occurring more are during the winters and the monsoons. Not able to get through, you feel uncomfortable, right? But once you're done, you feel relaxed. So the next time if you're not able to get an orgasm, just hope that you catch a cold. See, I don't understand. You know what? Girls have multiple orgasms. Guys have only one. That's like girls have multiple undergarments. We have only one. Guys wear one underwear for 3 days a week, and then we wear it inside out. And I know what you are wondering. 7 days a week, Sunday ko chutti hai boss. Oh fuck, today is Sunday. It's okay. Is it okay if I ask them to change the slides in the between? Yeah. Let's talk about Nagpur, yeah? Yes? Are we ready to talk about Nagpur? Yeah. So I love Nagpur क्योंकि मिहान आ रहा है.
आएगा.
That's exactly, sir. मैं आपके साथ. But before that, something happened. But don't come late, yeah, next time. That's what she said. Guys, let's talk. Guys, let's talk about Mihan. This is just a picture of cat waiting for Mihan. We were talking about Mihan, and you know what? Mihan आ रहा है, ठीक है? No doubt about it. आ रहा है, मतलब लड़का निकल गया है, रास्ते में है, बस. Just hold on. And do you guys remember, like a few years back, like the answer to every question was Mihan aa raha hai, ठीक है? That I want to go to Bombay and I want to go there. चलो बेटा Mihan aa raha है. दोस्त यार मैं सोच रहा हूँ इंडस्ट्रीज ना गुजरात में बहुत फ्लरिश हो रही है, थोड़ा धंधा करते हैं. रुक जाना यार, Mihan आ रहा है. ब्रो यार 10 तो हो गया. Mihan. Answer to every question was Mihan aa raha hai. I have to change that joke, it doesn't work. Guys, but Mihan, industrialists are waiting for Mihan like a pregnant woman waits for her water to break. मतलब बस ये हो जाए, खुशहाली आ जाए। बोला नो वेट वेट, pregnant woman in India doesn't wait for खुशहाली, she waits for खुशहाली। But yeah, hopefully Mihan will be soon coming. Cat, hi. Let's talk about Nagpur more, and let's talk about the Ram Jhula. I'm writing a joke about Ram Jhula, but sadly it will take 8 years to construct. Can't take it though. The number of years Ram Jhula took for its completion is as good as Ram took to complete his Vanvas. But don't blame the authorities, guys. Do not blame the authorities. क्योंकि अगर आप राम झूले को टाइम क्यों लगा पता है? क्योंकि अगर आप पास से जाकर देखें केबल पे एम्ब्रॉयडरी की हुई है उस पे। And Ram Jhula is not just a bridge, okay? It's a metaphorical bridge. It divides the East Nagpur, the Garam people, with the West Nagpur, the so-called cool people. Right? Most of you guys are from West Nagpur here? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you ashamed of being? Come on.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Great. Do you know there's this thing called, like it's Pulyapal, it's called East Nagpur. And you can go there for adventure sports. But ध्यान से makeup खराब हो जाएगा. And you never mess with a guy from East Nagpur. I am from East Nagpur, go ahead, judge me. Never ever mess with a guy from East Nagpur because we can go from fuck off to bhok mein chai 0 to 3 seconds. We were talking about Ram Jhula, right? Now this Ram Jhula, okay, bye. It's okay. If the door is not allowing, it's locked, madam. Lock means it cannot open. It's okay. Can we have a round of applause with her exit? Yeah. You don't come to a comedy show late. You don't leave a comedy show before a comedian asks you to go. Okay? Because I have the microphone. So Ram Jhula guys, बहुत आज distraction बहुत ज़्यादा है. Let's concentrate on Kajol's unibrow. Now I realize I'm not supposed to make fun of unibrows. But it's okay. So yeah. Ram Jhula, if you see Ram Jhula, if you ever you are on Ram Jhula, right? There's one board that says no stopping, no standing, okay? Right underneath that, you will see a bunch of guys. And this got me curious, not this. This got me curious and I was like, Mama, क्या हुआ? Accident हुआ है क्या उधर? Accident हुआ? And they're like, no. तो क्या चालू है? कुछ देख रहे हैं. क्या देख रहे हैं? ब्रिज बन रहा है दूसरा. Hey, wow, crane मस्त. बड़ा वाला crane, wow. You know your city sucks when your idea of amusement is to watch a crane. Right? But I think that's it with Ram Jhula. Let's not have more jokes. Let's have a joke about 0 Mile. Yes, the geographic center of the nation. We should feel proud about it. But no, we don't know about 0 Mile. We know, Pintu Saoji है ना? उसके पास कुछ तो भी है ऐसा. Dude, this is the geographic center of the nation. Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Assam are equidistant from here. Realize how big the protractor was. And 0 Mile is nothing, it's just a G spot. कुछ importance है पर पता नहीं क्या है. Note to self. गंदी बातें कर, audience को मजा आ रहा है. Intelligent बात. What is wrong with you guys? But I don't know, this is one thing I don't like about Nagpur, that we want to be second-hand Bombay. Okay, that's like we compare Futara to Marine Drive. You can do that. if you haven't seen the fucking Marine Drive, वो समुंदर है, ठीक है? ये तालाब है जिसका फाउंटेन 6 महीने से बंद है. Then we compare the Ram Jhula to the Worli Bangla Sling. Yeah, very very proud of it you are. That's like comparing Harman Baweja to Hrithik Roshan. दोनों में एक ही सिमिलैरिटी, वो दोनों सिर्फ ब्रिजेस हैं और कुछ नहीं. मतलब अंबानी भी अगर ये सुनेगा बॉम्बे तो बोलेगा 18,000 करोड़ खर्चा ये सुनने के लिए नहीं कहता मुझे. देता है अंबानी का भी देता है, देखो कैसे. मैंने उसने बोला है. Please trust me guys, we don't want to be this. I understand we are the second capital, but ऐसा नहीं बॉम्बे डूबेगा तो हम लोग का नंबर है. Be proud of the fact that we are from Nagpur. #Chana Poha. मस्त तरी वरी मार के खाओ बढ़िया. And then when it comes to Nagpur, then we have this. The people in Nagpur. People. Yeah. So in the world, every person has got one special skill. In Nagpur, everybody has the same skill. Everybody is a fucking mujur. Everybody. अगर आप ब्लड रिपोर्ट देखोगे तो उसमें आरबीसी डब्ल्यूबीसी के साथ मुजोरी मिलेगी. तो नागपुर से आया ना. हमारे में 2 है उधर से. पॉलिटिक्स. सो मुजोर, इफ द मुजोर हमारे डेटाबेस में नहीं है, ऑफ कोर्स नहीं है, कोई मुजोर ने निकाल दिया उधर से. And scientists are trying to study this. This is a very good art form, right? Mujori is a great art form. In English, it's called stand-up comedy. So, Mujor, yeah, guys. So scientists are trying to study this particular this art form, but they are not able to because of the non-participation from the subject himself. मत हंसो, सब मुजोरो. And what's up with the Nagpur lingo, यार? What? Stop it, no, यार. पोटे ओटे, please, यार. Please, एक जगह हम लोग मुंबई से कंपेयर करते हैं, फिर बोलते हैं पोटे. पोटे कोलाबा चले, कितना गंदा लगेगा? Stop it, यार. Every time we use the word pote, a kid in South Africa dies. The word pote is so cheap that a Gujarati can have orgasm just hearing about it. Well, it's a different story that a Gujarati doesn't know what an orgasm is. नाना आपने नो कराए, नो कराए थाई जाए. The word pote is so cheap that the clothes at Mahal and Sitabardi are expensive than that. The word pote is so cheap that the sales on Snapdeal and Flipkart get an inferiority complex when you say it. And the word pote is so cheap that I think Rakhi Sawant came to Nagpur, gave us the word and fucked off. No, but Rakhi Sawant is not cheap. She's not cheap, she's cheap. She's cheap, she's annoying, she's irritating. She's so irritating that if her boobs had an option, they would have left her body. But the real question is, where would they have gone? I got this one. To Aisha Takia. Because apparently that is where all the boobs are going. No, but Aisha Takia from Tarzan, do you remember? Yeah, I saw Tarzan, not for cars. I had a big reason to watch it. 2 big reasons to watch it. 2 really big reasons. And I think the scriptwriters in Bollywood don't give a fuck when they are, you know, Tarzan is the car. I mean, the car Tarzan is actually Ajay Devgan. That is the plot. And once Aisha Takia was writing it. What is wrong with Bollywood? Let's talk about the traffic in Nagpur. Traffic in Nagpur sucks, right? This is how exactly we give a fuck to हम लोग ना ट्रैफिक रूल्स को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं जितना मोदी जी अरविंद केजरीवाल की ट्वीट्स को. We are not concerned about traffic rules at all. And there is so much of traffic in these days in Nagpur, right? You guys agree?
Yes.
Yeah? क्या सब घर पे बैठे रहते हो क्या? तुम आज ही बाहर निकले हो. ट्रैफिक इट्स लाइक फॉग कॉल. मैं ना घाट रोड पे जाता हूँ तो मेरे को लगता है ट्रैफिक जैम है कि गेट टुगेदर. चलना. And there was this one entire debate that in the country, if you guys read news, that it said that the name of this road should be changed to this. The name of this road should be changed to this, right? Do you guys know about that? महात्मा गांधी रोड मत रखो, कुछ और रख दो. कुछ और रोड मत रखो, कुछ और रख दो. And I'm like, कुछ भी रखो ना, सब चलाते तो ऐसे जैसे उनके बाप का है. कुछ भी रख. And there is this one particular kind of car which I see like always. You know, this is like a very big white car, and it has lights underneath, right? And then music is and then this one car stopped us and like, भैया एक पान बनाना. But traffic is we don't give a fuck to traffic. अरे वो रेड लाइट है, उषा उत्तुप का बिंदी नहीं है. We are not concerned about traffic rules, guys. Everybody has broken a traffic rule, right? Yes, one so yeah, very good, very proud. कुछ नहीं होता. I also once broke a traffic rule, okay?
What?
And that was, I'm so sorry. What's up, sir?
What?
See, this is not a group discussion round. Treat this like a Bollywood film. आप लोग DDL से देखने गए होंगे. आप लोग तो गए होंगे. आप लोग DDL से देखने गए होंगे. तब क्लाइमैक्स सीन में ऐसा नहीं बोले, एक काजोल आगे के दरवाजे से घुस जा. Please guys, बहुत लर्न करके आए हो घर से. Please don't interrupt. We were talking about. I broke a traffic rules once, and that was the last time I broke this particular traffic rule. Okay, joke is coming. This was the last time I broke this one particular traffic rule. I was riding triple seat on a bike, and then this one guy stopped me and said, "Bhaijan, Eid Mubarak." Half of you didn't get that joke. Half of you are very scared. Laugh at that joke. But अभी तो हो गया ना. No, but I mean, and helmet rule, right? Helmet is important for safety. We don't give a fuck about helmet. Helmet is as important as the yo-yo in Yo-Yo Honey. See, we don't. Helmet rule आया था फिर वापस चले गया. ठीक है? अभी फिर से आ गया. And nobody wears it. They know. So they have come up with this brainy people. तुम लोग helmet नहीं पहनोगे ना, तो हम लोग पेट्रोल नहीं देंगे. This is their answer, okay? And then और brainy लोग, they keep helmet at petrol pumps. गाड़ी में आओ, helmet पहनो, पेट्रोल भराओ और चले जाओ. That is a very, very weird kind of तिरुपति बालाजी दर्शन. Religious jokes हमेशा offensive नहीं होते. We have a guide right outside after the show. Guide to नए चुटकुले. जो नहीं समझा, always an option. But guys, as the city is growing, metro आ रहा है. Pay attention to traffic rules. Safety is very important. Serious बातें मैं आप लोगों के लिए कर रहा हूँ. Let's get with the this. The temperature in this city, man. It's what is wrong with Nagpur's temperature? बारिश में बहुत बारिश, ठंडी में बहुत ठंडी और गर्मी का तो आपको पता ही है, सभी गर्म पेट है. And I don't understand this extreme temperature of Nagpur, right? Sometimes it is too hot, sometimes it is too cold. Nagpur is definitely a woman on her periods. Only 10 is mood swings are 65. Moods नहीं, mood swings. वे moods बोले हो, वो mood मेरे को भी करना है। We don't give up. The temperature in Nagpur is and it's very hot sometimes. Like if you go to Paris, they have a saying, "Love is in the air." In Nagpur, loo is in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, but I don't hate Nagpur. I love it क्योंकि अभी और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है मेरे पास. We guys at Paperboat Entertainment, we have tried to make a nice video about Nagpur. We are going to show it to you right now. Please be seated on your seats. We'll have the lights shut. The video will play for about 3 minutes. Yes, are we ready with the video, sir? So, but before we play that video about Nagpur, this is, oh wait, please pause. Embarrassment हो गया. We have this, देख मैं बोल रहा था रिहर्सल जरूरी है. So we have this one thing I do about Nagpur. You know, we have a very special kind of applause for Nagpur. So let us start slow and posh, like the area we are in right now. Slow and posh. So please, slow and posh, civil lines, southern. I don't understand this sometimes. Keep the lights shut. I don't understand this sometimes. You know, I ask somebody, where are you from? Southern. तू गड्डी गोदाम में रहती है क्या? Southern नहीं है वो. So let us start slow and posh. Like the area, civil lines, Bajaj Nagar. थोड़ा सा बढ़ाओ, Central Avenue. And since we are on it, let me tell you, CR Road नहीं होता है. It's Central Avenue. Take it all the way to Varma Nagar Party in Kashi. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for this new video coming up.
Hello. Shit. I'm so sorry, baby. I completely forgot. Do one thing. Take an Uber and reach this place called Super Cafe. I'll send you the location. Okay? Of course, there's an Uber in Nagpur. Jaldi aaya. Bye.
अरे यार रितेश,
हाँ बोलो.
ये गेम सिर्फ टीवी शोज पे अच्छा लगता है. बाय द वे, इसका बॉयफ्रेंड मुंबई से आ रहा है ना?
हाँ.
मतलब इंग्लिश में बात करना पड़ेगा.
सर आपके पास उबर कोड है क्या? वीडियो के एंड में. सबटर. Hey!
Baby, meet my friend Jitesh.
Hi.
Hi, Hardik from Bombay.
Aren't you guys supposed to call it Mumbai now?
Actually, he's from Kolaba. So,
हाय, आई एम अमर फ्रॉम नागपुर. अपना एकच है. हाय, मैंने छोड़ यहाँ का सुपर मारियो ऑमलेट का माँ कसम एक नंबर है.
सैंडविच बोल रहा हूँ.
यार ऑमलेट मंगा ले प्लीज.
सैंडविच खाते हैं ना?
यार प्लीज ऑमलेट मंगा ले.
4 सैंडविच.
यार ऑमलेट बोलना.
मुजोरी करना है क्या?
Mussoorie? What's that?
मुझे मतलब एन आर्ग्यूमेंट.
Argument? But there's no logic in the argument.
Hence
it's
मुझे
Juri. Chalo, let's Snapchat.
So guys, what do you generally do?
We suck up to bigger cities.
No, I mean on Saturday nights.
भैया वो जो 4 सैंडविच है उसमें थोड़ा चटनी के साथ
Guys, Guys. I really want to know about your city. Means the second capital of Maharashtra, the tiger capital of the nation, the orange city, and the geographic center of the country. What is it all about? Huh?
देखेगा दिखाओ
जरा हटके जरा बचके मेरे नाम पर मेरी जान
Did you guys enjoy the video? Yes? Yes. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is coming soon. The channel is called Paperboat Entertainment. Subscribe to our channel now. Do it, come on, right now. Because this has brought us to the end of the first half of this show. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to break for a short and sweet interval of 15 minutes. क्योंकि हमारे पार्टनर्स का खाना और दारू पीना जरूरी है और आप लोगों को उतना भी So guys, make sure you grab a drink in your hand. I'll see you on the other side of this show. Please हाथ धो के आना. Thank you and cue music.
Hello everybody. Happy Friendship Day to all the single girls. Happy Nag Panchami to all the committed ones. I'm not committed. But anyway, moving on, let's talk about something very general in all our lives. Social media. That was not a joke. And everybody here is on social media, right? Is there anybody who's not on social media? Any form? Like, now Facebook pe, na Twitter pe, na Instagram pe? No, here. So we all are on some sort of social media, and there is this one thing I don't like about social media: the kind of usernames we have on it. Like, who all are on Instagram? Give me a cheer. What is the point of having names like Demons Unleashed? and you post pictures of cute babies and puppies on them. Demons Unleashed, cute babies. What is the logic? Then there is one guy on my list, his name is Pizzo Vizzo XOXO. Like, I understand you love pizza, but still. And, thank you. And there's this one thing about the names in India. Like, the Indian society, if you observe, we have devolved as far as names are concerned. Like, in the initial days, we used to have names like Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Now, mein version hai. Then came the hippie era, when we had names like Sunny, short, like Sunny Deol, Sunny Deol. खुशी देखो सर के चेहरे नाम लिया सर यहाँ परफॉर्म नहीं करने वाली है Usually she performs in dark in your room. Then came the era which we are in right now, Pooh. The names are Pooh. Basically, we have evolved from 4 names to 2 syllables to 1 fart. Like Pooh. Ho gaya bas. And I don't understand. There are 2 kinds of Poohs in this world. The one which starts with P, there are a lot of O's in them. Then there is a second one which starts with P, has a lot of O in them, but it ends with an H. Like वो अपने fart का सबसे ज़्यादा मजा ले रही है. Like Pooh. And then she's like, ये सब कौन है जो पू को पलट के देख रहे हैं? By the way, that was my orgasmic face. Yeah, a sneak peek, a little sneak peek. But then let's move on to something very generic social media form, Facebook. Everybody here is on Facebook, right? Anybody who's not except for her mom? Nobody said. So there's this one particular guy you will find on Facebook. Every month, like he'll post a lot of porn links on his profile and on his friend's profile. And then on the other day he'll come like, I don't know how that happened. I think somebody hacked my account. Tu Obama nahi hai. Why the fuck would someone hack your account? Like tomorrow if Obama says, I'll nuke the shit out of you, Putin. Russia, you're nuked. And then Obama comes and says, I don't know how that happened. I think somebody hacked my account. That is believable because world peace is at stake. Yeah? तेरा नाम लेंडे है. तू Obama नहीं है. You have 230 friends on your Facebook. Out of which 30 are angel prayers. That's it. वो तेरा importance है. Then there is second kind of people you'll find on Facebook who use a plethora of hashtags on them. Like hashtag chair पे बैठा हूँ, hashtag TV देख रहा हूँ, hashtag swag, hashtag बाप का थप्पड़. And let's talk about hashtag. There's this one particular hashtag I don't understand. It's called hashtag epic shit. You guys heard of it? Epic shit? No? Nagpur crowd, obviously. There's this hashtag epic shit. Like, I don't understand how can someone shit be epic. Like, मेरी तो normal होती है. It's never rainbows and unicorns coming up. It's always normal. If they say that practice makes a man perfect, I've been doing it for 24 years daily. Sometimes 2-3 times a day. It hasn't perfected ever. It's still normal. And I know the people are feeling grossed out right now because they're eating food and I'm talking about shit. Well, these are the perks of being a stand-up comedian. You get to talk about shit when people are having food. Basically, we get to be the Harpik guy. I don't understand how that ad comes only when I'm having dinner. Exactly, I'm having the first bite of my food and he's like, oh my god, Vishal, I cannot believe it. And think about, if you think your job is fuck all, think about job of Vishal. Like he has to be very high on drug, like, hi. I just said us. I clean the shit out of it. Like literally. I mean, how the fuck does he know that I'm having dinner? Similarly, there's one more irritating guy in all our lives, Dr. Batra. Again, the same question. How the fuck does he know that I'm having hair fall? His messages come exactly when I'm having hair fall. Like this was the first time I had my hair fall. Like one strand of hair had just fallen. Like Puchuk, it's in the air. It hasn't fallen. It is still in the air. It is falling. It is falling. It is still 2-3 centimeters above the ground. Stop hair falling of Dr. Batra. Exactly at that moment, and I'm feeling like Dr. Batra is a very creepy guy. He's watching me in my bathroom. In fact, he's watching all of us through a satellite right now and going like hair fall, hair fall, hair fall, hair fall. सबको message भेजूंगा मैं. I'm very thankful he's not on Tinder. He'll be like swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, swipe right. Oh my god, takla insan, super light. Let's talk about another irritating character in all our lives. Uncles and aunties. Especially in the wedding ceremony. Every time when you're eating food, they appear out of nowhere like a genie, like beta pehchana? I'm like, nahi. And they have this very generic question to ask, beta shaadi kab kar rahe ho? The only reason they want to know when you are getting married is because they'll get another wedding ceremony where they'll find another bakra to ask the same question, beta shaadi kab kar rahe ho? And I have this one answer to tell them so that they would fuck off. Auntie, you are like Dove soap. She's very happy she fucks off. The real reason why I call her Dove soap is because it also contains 78% fat. Moving on to another guy who contains 78% fat. The showstopper for tonight, and he has paid me 20 more bucks to say this. Please welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen, Jitesh Warsade!
First row. क्या सुबिन तुम्हें? मेहदी तू भाई. He made fun of Nagpur, right? He made some fun of Nagpur, I heard. He's from Nandanvan. Every time I say Chutiya, my friend is like, Nandanvan कौन बोलेगा? But are you guys having a good time? Yes? Yes. All the people feeling sexy, give me a cheer. अपने आजू बाजू देखो. Govinda once felt sexy, right? But all the females in the house, give me a cheer. कुछ जोक नहीं है, बस एक बार करना था. Yeah. So guys, I haven't told you this one thing. I also happen to be a CA. I also happen to be a CA student, guys. And this is a very long course. Trust me. Like a very long course. Very long course. Like, it's a very long course. Basically, Ashutosh Gawariker can make a movie on it. I feel I gave my entrance exam when... क्या कर रहे हैं? पीछे से लेगा क्या? Guys, laugh so that the quota is good, yes! So we are talking about chartered accountancy. I feel I gave my entrance exam when Mahatma Gandhi was incorporating the Quit India movement. It's been so long. And as a chartered accountancy student, do you know what I hate the most? Chartered accountants. And these freshly qualified chartered accountants, जो अभी 1-2 अटेम्प्ट पहले बने, इनका ना रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव आता है तो सबसे पहले लोग, hey bro, kindly update your phone book and add the letter CA in front of my name. तो तेरे नाम के आगे C मैंने ऑलरेडी लगा दिया था. But you know what? Some of my friends cleared chartered accountancy like much before me, and I've got to know this, that chartered accountancy and losing your virginity has a similarity. Yeah. लोग बोलते हैं ना, it's all about luck. It's that. There's a similarity between clearing your chartered accountancy and losing your virginity. किसी के साथ 21 में हो जाता है, किसी का 35 तक नहीं होता. I haven't cleared my chartered accountancy. And as a CA student, guys, you know the CA course keeps on changing from time to time.
Right.
Yeah, it changes very often. The only thing that changes more often than the CA curriculum is the rules for Tatkal booking on IRCTC. If you go on IRCTC, it says IRCTC, the next generation website. Which is quite justified, because if you click on a link today, only your next generation will be able to access it. And there is one more thing, when you are a CA student, you know, you start, in your head, it's just CA everywhere. I went to a medical shop to buy a legit medicine, and when I was buying the medicine like a legit customer, I checked the expiry of the medicine, and it said May 2017. यार तब तक हो जाएगा ना? कॉमेडी में पैसा नहीं है ब्रो. लड़की नहीं देता कोई. This one random uncle at a random wedding, and he's like, क्या करते हो? Stand-up comedy. और अच्छा, ये वही अंकल होते हैं जो फॉर्मल शर्ट पहन के नीचे स्पोर्ट शूज पहनते हैं. ये वही अंकल होते हैं जिनका व्हाट्सएप पे स्टेटस हे देयर आई एम यूजिंग व्हाट्सएप होता है। ये वही अंकल होते हैं जो बनियान में जेल सिलवाते हैं। ये वही अंकल होते हैं जिनकी होंडा एक्टिवा के पीछे सन्स गिफ्ट लिखा होता है और ग्रामर भी रॉन्ग है। ये वही अंकल होते हैं जो बच्चों के लेस के चिप्स के पैकेट चखने के जैसा यूज करते हैं। ये वही अंकल होते हैं जिनके लिए रजनीगंधा एक माउथ फ्रेशनर है। और ये वही अंकल होते हैं जिन्हें मैं इसलिए जवाब देता हूँ क्योंकि या तो उनकी बेटी हॉट होती है या तो उनकी वाइफ। I like India, but I don't like Indians. I don't like Indians because of hypocrisy, guys. We are hypocrites, yeah, right? And I'll explain. See, whenever somebody cusses in English, like fucking shit, it sounds very cool. But once we cuss in Hindi, things change. You know, last time I went to Chitnavi Center and there was this one fat comedian. He was doing his mother thing. That's my impression of a girl from Southern. And this is my bag from Zara, Palindi, Bombay. Mother, what did I get? गुस्सा आएगा तो गाली दूंगा मैं। And you know what? In the West, human reproductive organs have cool names. In India, it is not like that. It is not. We come up with subtle innuendos that are fuck all. बच्चे बोलते थे लुल्ली, नुन्नू, what? नाम तो बड़ा रखो। And my favorite is Saman. And this is in your subconscious, okay? I was once on a railway station. I was going to Bombay because I cannot afford flights and I have to take the train. So, and then you hear this announcement. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें। Yeah. I know your voice is hot and you are not telling me. यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि वे अपने सामान की जिम्मेदारी खुद लें। Isn't that obvious, bitch? Then I realized he was talking about my VIP briefcase. Saman, man. What? And we come up with theories. There is this one theory. If at all you want to talk about some guy's reproductive organ, you add the prefix chota in front of his name. Right? You get that drift? For example, what is your name, sir? Any volunteers for this? Oh, you were my classmate. Hypothetically, let's say Rajdeep. If you want to talk about Rajdeep's dick, you say Chota Rajdeep. If you want to talk about Subin's dick, you say Chota Subin, which is correct actually. Chota Subin. If you want to talk about my dick, you say Chota Jitesh. This makes me feel really sad for Chota Rajan. That guy is supposed to be a motherfucking terrorist. But then yeah, we get it. Terrorists are essentially dicks.
Good one.
Thank you, sir. Good one. So yeah, guys, let's fans of Bollywood in the house, give me a cheer. Yes. Ooh, I also love Bollywood. क्योंकि क्यों नहीं, random nonsense सबको अच्छा लगता है. Let's talk about Bollywood. I told my friend, one comic friend from Bombay, that I'm doing this set on Bollywood, and he's like, अबे नागपुर में क्या Bollywood? मतलब it's a Mumbai thing, bro. And I'm like, no, dude, wait. Bollywood and Nagpur is really related. I can talk about Bollywood and Nagpur. I'm not talking about some writers or directors who went from Nagpur to direct great stuff. I'm not talking about the editors who are in Ram Gopal Verma factory right now. I'm not talking about our very own Raju Hirani. No, Bollywood and Nagpur are really related because in Nagpur there's this, in Bollywood there's this, let's go 3 seconds back. In Bollywood there's this concept of cross-dressing. Cross-dressing is a thing in Bollywood, especially with Ritesh Deshmukh career. तो ये जो संतरे थे, भैया ये वाला नहीं, वो थोड़ा सॉगी है, थोड़ा गंदे जोक्स ही चल रहे हैं सब. We did not talk to you, sir. Hi, hello. How are you, sir? May I know your good name, please, so that I can make fun about you? Amit. Very unique name. Amit. In India, I see somebody with 2 eyes, 1 nose, entire body. Hi, Amit. And sir, what do you do?
I'm a professional colleague. I am a chartered accountant.
See, I don't give a fuck about GST. I'm a Gujarati. For me, GST is Ghatia, Soda and Thepla. Nice. I hope this is not affecting the professional ethics as per the charter. 88 if I'm not. Whatever, who gives a fuck? So guys, let's talk about Bollywood. Bollywood is, and let me tell you this one thing, chartered accountancy I'm not able to clear, okay? मैंने शुरू तो किशोर अवस्था में किया था, but I think by the time I'm in वृद्धाश्रम वो words मेरे नाम के आगे लग जाएंगे, ठीक है? So let's talk about Bollywood, everything that is weird with Bollywood, and the first thing is this guy. उदय चोपड़ा, जिनका आधार कार्ड धूम का पोस्टर है. He's very weird. I mean, he's so weird. I don't even want to talk about him. Let's move from one weird guy to another, and that is Abhishek Bachchan. हाँ, you can read. Wow, nice. I thought मैं लिखूंगा तो नहीं समझेगा किसी को. So let's talk about the Bachchans, Abhishek Bachchan guys. See, sometimes you don't want to think certain things about certain Bollywood families. Okay, for example, the Bachchans. Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan. I just said 3 names, and किसी किसी के दिमाग में कुछ हुआ, ठीक है? Then Times of India put this. I'm not saying anything. जिसको समझा उसको समझा, जिसको नहीं समझा उनके लिए ये. I'm not saying anything. The curation team is different. So let's talk next things. Yeah, Sonakshi Sinha. Very weird stuff in Bollywood, right? So a normal human being has 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears and 1 forehead. Sonakshi Sinha has 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears and 2 foreheads. सोनाक्षी सिन्हा की मांग भरने के लिए एक चुटकी सिंदूर काफी नहीं है. This is also a very weird guy. Very weird guy. I mean, ये ना चेहरे पे एनेस्थीसिया डाल के एक्टिंग करते हैं. Everyone, क्या भैया? क्या भैया? क्या अमित? क्या? I cannot take the name. And he's an intense actor, I get it, but it spoils when he says, क्या भैया? Siska lady. Siska lady, dude. Talking about Siska lady, talking about bright stuff, let's talk about Tiger Shroff. This is Jackie Shroff, okay? क्या नाम रखते बच्चे का? Tiger रखे? Don't you think that will be Maushi Chikande? coming up. It's called Flying Jat. Okay. Now there's one similarity between Flying Jat and Udta Punjab. Why, if you see the trailer, you will realize that while Udta Punjab was a movie about drugs, Flying Jet was made on drugs. And please don't make fun of Tiger Shroff, please. There is nothing wrong with her. Then there is this guy, Farhan Akhtar. जब वो बोलता है तो ऐसा लगता है कोई चेयर खींच रहा है. If you guys don't get this joke about Hrithik's 6 tons, I cannot help you. Go home and count. And Farhan Akhtar's last movie was, I don't think Bollywood gives a fuck about when deciding the title. The name of his last movie was Dil Dhadakne Do, as if we can do otherwise. What Dil Dhadakne Do? धड़केगा ही ना. Let's, किसके पास iPhone है? Nice. 50,000 का फोन है, ये बोले को कॉमेडी शो में हूँ, घर मार रहा है, रखता हूँ. Bollywood is amazing. Let's talk about something else in Bollywood, which is music. The music in Bollywood is fuck all. It doesn't make sense. The lyrics, ladki beautiful kar gayi chul. What is next? Ladka handsome mange ransom. What? One very irritating song throughout the year was Rang De Tumo Hai Gerua. It's not a coincidence that Gerua rhymes with Chutia. And what is Gerua? The producers and Shah Rukh Khan himself tried explaining. Gerua is the reddish crimson color of love. Chutia thuk pan ke kharre ki thuk ka color hai. This is anything but romantic. Weird stuff like Afghan jalebi. चल वहाँ जाते हैं. तेरे को किधर जाने का है? मेट्रो बस 13 नंबर का बस आगे से मिलेगा तो. And further he explains, प्यार करने चलो, चल वहाँ जाके. Botanical garden, no. What is wrong with you? Very, very weird stuff, guys, about Bollywood. Again, a very separate genre from Bollywood, but with Bollywood only this amazing song, DJ Wali. Great song. I respect them. How stubborn are you? बजा देना एक बार इसको. बजा देना यार. DJ, नहीं कर. मैं नहीं जाऊँ. अबे बजाना छूटिए. I hate Bollywood music, guys. Except for one song. And this song is. Can we please stop the recording, sir? Please stop it. एक बार प्यार से बोला है, please. The song is. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा. Amazing song. Amazing song. Those who like this song, give me a cheer. Great song. So if you know what. If you have a driver with a car, good quality front camera phone, and a lot of free time, even you can become Neha Kakkad one day. And this song, it was sung by her, Kundi Mat Khadkao Raja Sita. I love this song, not because of this singer, or not because of the music, or not because of the picturization. I love it for its lyrics. One of the very rarest times when Bollywood lyricists wants you to be intellectual. The girl says, Kundi mat khadkao Raja, Sita andar aao Raja. Which means, I don't need foreplay, let's have sex immediately. Amazing stuff. Let's talk about the Khans in Bollywood. The Khans, and I'm going to talk about 2 Khans, not Amir Khan, because I don't think Amir Khan has reached to those heights here. पूछ लेना बाद में ये जोक का मतलब बता। Let's talk about Shahrukh Khan. No fans. Of course. That's why he had to do a movie called Fan. And no Shahrukh Khan fan. Wow, India is growing nice. Great stuff. You know what? Shahrukh Khan can sell everything. He's known in Bollywood for selling anything. And I'm like, अगर ऐसा चलता रहा ना तो he will have to sell everything. It is going to happen one day. And so when Salman Khan movie is about to release, for example, when Ekta Tiger was about to release, Salman Khan fans were like, Tiger Bhai, Tiger Bhai. When Prem Ratan Dhan Bhai was about to release, everybody called him Prem Bhai, Prem Bhai. When Sultan was about to release, everybody called him Sultan Bhai, Sultan Bhai. This is not the case with Shahrukh Khan. Every time his movie is about to release, अबे चुले क्या कर रहे हैं? क्या? And if you talk about Fan, how many of you have seen Fan? Nobody is admitting it. Wow. You guys have seen Fan. In the movie, the entire plot is that the fan wants Shah Rukh Khan to say sorry. Shah Rukh Khan doesn't say it. I knew that. जब उसने रावण के बाद sorry नहीं बोला अपने fans को, I was a Shah Rukh Khan fan, but then how do you justify Ravan? How do you justify Happy New Year? How do you justify Chennai Express? And how do you justify Dilwale? I mean, they said this is like Inception. The only justification is it is chutiap within a chutiap within a chutiap. That's the only Inception thing in this. Please, Khan Saab. From moving on from one Dilwale to another. Salman Khan, guys. I wanted to do a Salman Khan joke, I wanted to do a rape joke, but then I realized unless your first name is Salman and your last name is Khan, you cannot get away with rape in this country. It's... You know what? Nobody messes with Salman Khan in Bollywood. Any Salman Khan fans, by the way?
Yeah.
Everybody. No, nobody messes with Salman Khan. You know why? क्योंकि अगर वह हिरण मार सकता है, आदमी मार सकता है, तो वह गान तो मार ही सकता है. And if you rearrange the words in the title Sultan, you get this. And stuff. I called Bhayan because he can get away with calling a rape woman joke, and I can call him, I know what you guys are wondering. And slut is not proper grammar, right? Right? It should be a slut, not an slut. We are talking about Salman Khan. Yay. Grammar is the last thing he gives a fuck about. Oh, sorry, a black bulb about it. But then, yeah, Salman Khan is great. We इसको देख के भी can't really sorry. But there's this one movie I like about Salman Khan, and that is. Except for the poster, guys, everything is original in this movie. Trust me. Bajrangi Bhaijaan was an amazing. I loved it. I see Salman Khan's acting was path-breaking. Just like his driving. And have you guys seen Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Yes? Yes. So, you know what? In Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Salman Khan goes to Pakistan without a passport. I'm like, how seriously are you taking Bajrangi Hanuman? Even Hanuman went to Sri Lanka without passport some years ago. Even Hanuman is a brahmacharya guy, something, and Bhai is a virgin. Everybody knows. भाई ने virginity lose करने के लिए driver रखा है. ठीक है? ये एक driver ने किया. Driver तो मस्त करता है. बहुत गंदे लोग आए हैं. Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and this small kid in the movie was nice. She was this actress Mundi, and in the entire movie, Mundi just showed this hand and nodded. And And I love Kabir Khan because that was the best way to depict 10 years of Congress government. उन्होंने भी सिर्फ हाथ दिखा के हिलाया ही नहीं। Great stuff. Bajrangi Bhaijaan is a very nice movie, guys. Very nice movie. And especially, so in this movie, Munni gets lost, right? And Salman Khan tries to figure out whether Munni is from Delhi or Mumbai or Kanpur or where is she from. In the climax, you will understand where Munni is from. Let's play the climax. This was an amazing climax. My ex-girlfriend and my comedy audience have the same complaint about me, that I'm not good with climax. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this show. But wait, can we have Subin Doble on stage, please? Yes. Let's have a huge round of applause for Subin Doble. Give it up for this man all the way from Hyderabad. I need to call a very special person on stage. Can we have Ankit Guptani on stage, please? And I will just stand awkwardly until he's on stage. So it's just not what you see here. It takes a lot of effort. What goes backstage is this guy. Let's have a huge round of applause for this guy. Please. Yeah. Now you can focus. No, it's. Should we allow him to say something?
Yes!
Yeah, all this, whatever he just said, it's actually it's true. So, but he has also taught us a lot of things, and one of it is that always consider expense on the higher side and income on the lower side. So that I will remember.
Ladies and gentlemen, and especially you guys, thank you so much. I'm doing this not because I can, but I must. I also have a very special person to thank. My sister is sitting in the audience. She has been selling me shamelessly. And I'm not scared of Bollywood and all this. I'm not scared of horror movies because if you had spent the childhood with this girl, you wouldn't be scared. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for yourself. Thank you so much for coming here tonight. I hope you guys had a lot of a good time. I don't know why I'm mumbling. That is the end of the show, guys. Yeah, that is it. In the social media, find us, all of us. You have been an amazing audience. My name is Hitesh Vasani. Please go home safe. Do not drink and drive. It really fucks up your heart. Thank you and good night.